Don't worry about this John Philip Sousa score here. It's showing us how the beat, the division, and the subdivision exist in this very famous piece. But it's a pretty short example. We're not going to worry about it. Instead, I would like to go over here and work through these exercises with you, in which the same thing, we need all these measures to be complete to add up to the total number of beats it requests. And some of them have enough and some don't. Like before, you'd be wise to stop the video and work these out on your own, and then turn it back on and let me work it out with you. So here's 2 beats per measure, and so we expect this to add up to 2 beats. 1/2 a beat, 1/16 and 1/16. That does add up to 1 beat, and then be nice enough to beam all that together so that we can see that's 1 beat. And this 1/2, 1/2 is the second beat, so that's right. Here, remember the dotted quarter note, 1.5 beats. 1/4 adds up to 1/2 a beat, so that's fine. As we said, dotted quarter note, 1.5 beats, but we're missing a note here. So we need 1 note to fill that in. That would be an 1/8 note. 4/16 notes adds up to 1 beat, so we need 1 more beat. That's a quarter note. 1.5 beats again, plus 1/4, that's 1/2. All that is 2. And this is 1 beat, and this is 1 beat, so that's 2 beats. So that one doesn't take a lot. Number 2, 3 beats per measure, please. 1/2 plus 1/2, that's 1 beat. 1/2 plus 1/4, that's 2 beats. 1/2, we need something else that gets 1/2 a beat. An 1/8 note there should be the answer. Dotted quarter note plus an 1/8 note, that's 1.5 plus 1/2, that's 2, and 3. 1/2 plus 1/2, that's the first beat. 1/2, quarter, that's the second beat. 1/2 a beat, quarter a beat. And 1 full beat makes 3. 1/8 rest, 1/8 note adds up to 1 beat. 1/2 a beat, quarter beat adds up to 2 beats. We need a third beat here. Quarter note, please, there. 1, 2, 3, 4 16th notes will make 1 beat. 2 1/8 notes will make a second beat. 1/2 a beat, we need a 1/2 a beat note and an 1/8 note there. And here the quarter note gets 1 beat. We're lacking 2 beats. That should be a 1/2 note. Now we change the plan a little bit. 1/2 notes represent 1 beat and 4 beats in a measure. So this is a 1/2 note, 1/2 rest rather. That's 1 beat. All these together make 2 beats. So we need a note that's the same as 2 1/2 notes or 2 beats. That's a whole note that goes there. 1 beat here, 2 beats for the 2 quarter notes, 3 beats for these quarter notes because each of those is 1/2 a beat now. And this will be 4.5, so we need 1 more quarter note there. 1 beat for this, 1 beat for this, 1 beat for this, and 1 beat for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one is complete. 1 beat here, 2 beats here. We need 2 more. 2 1/2 notes would be the same as a whole note. 1.5 beats plus 1/2 a beat is 2, and this one is 3, and that makes 4. Now it's the same idea, but they want you to write in rests. 2 beats per measure, 1/2 note gets 1 beat. 1 beat, 2 beats. 1 beat, 1/2 a beat, we need a quarter rest right there. 1 beat, another beat, we need a 1/2 rest that sits on the line. 1/2 a beat, 1.5 beats, that one's complete. 1.5 beats, we need another beat, a quarter rest for that. 1 beat, 2 beats, a 1/2 rest that sits on the line here. 1 beat, 2 beats, everything's good. This one is 3 beats to a measure, quarter note gets 1 beat. That's 1 beat. Together this is 1 beat, so we add a quarter rest. 1 beat for all of these, 2 beats for that one, 2 beats total, and so a quarter rest here. 1 beat, 1/2 plus 1/2 is 2 beats, 2.5 beats, and an 1/8 rest there, which would look like this. 1 beat, 2 beats, 3 beats, a quarter rest please for that one. 1 beat, 1/2 a beat, 2 beats total, 2.5 beats total. We need an 1/8 rest here, another one of these. 1 beat for that, the second beat is here, the third beat, a quarter rest, goes right there. And finally on this page, a little fill in the blank as they want to know what is the metric pattern for these, what gets the beat, the division, and the subdivision. In 2/2 time, that is duple meter, 1/2 note gets the beat, 2 quarters gets the division, 4 1/8 notes a subdivision. 4/4 time, that is quadruple meter, and the answer here would be the same as that. Quarter note, 2/8 notes, 4/16 notes. 3/2 time is a triple meter. Half note gets the beat, quarters get the division, and 1/8 notes, 4/8 notes there for the subdivision.